ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त हिमांजलि and I welcome all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 24th of June and the facts are as follows. Firstly, on June 24th in the year 1497, explorer John Cabot made the first recorded European sighting of North America. Sailing under the English flag, Cabot's voyage opened the door for further exploration and eventual colonization of the continent, marking a key moment in the age of discovery. On a prouder note, on June 24th in the year 2010, Julia Gillard was sworn in as Australia's first female Prime Minister. Her historic appointment marked a milestone in Australian politics, highlighting progress in gender equality and inspiring women in leadership across the nation and beyond. This one is for all the children and the fun lovers. June 24th is celebrated as International Fairy Day, a whimsical day to honor fairies and the magic of folklore. From tiny winged creatures to stories of enchantment, this day invites people of all ages to celebrate imagination, wonder, and the joy of believing in a little magic in everyday life. On 24th June in the year 1987, Lionel Messi was born in Argentina. Over the years, he has become one of the greatest footballers of all time, winning multiple awards and breaking countless records with Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, and the Argentine national team. Messi's skill, vision, and dedication have made him a global sporting icon. And lastly, on June 24th in the year 1564, Maharani Durgavati, the valiant queen of Gondwana, was martyred while bravely fighting the Mughal forces. Renowned for her courage and leadership, she remains a lasting symbol of valor and patriotism in Indian history. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to kindly put out some food and water for the birds and animals in your neighboring areas. मैं बहुत ही जल्द आपसे फिर मिलूंगी. Till then, please stay tuned to Radio Mano 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.